Right now, for 4 years, Tara has created beautiful platters. Every single year, she does them one and done.
That's right.
And they are a collection and a collectible in her Temptations line here at QVC, and we are so excited that we have them for you here today. This is your special edition holiday round platter. Now you get one of 3 choices here. Which one are we looking at right now?
Yeah, so here we're actually looking at the sleigh. I wanted to just make him a little straight. Here we're looking at the sleigh. I'm going to tip him forward. So we call him the sleigh because he's got that beautiful Christmas tree, all decorated with those gorgeous ornaments there that you see there with the hand-painted, hand-applied accents. There's your present. There's your mailbox over here with the cardinal, of course, with that sweet little hat. Look at that gorgeous mailbox, hand-applied accent, hand-painting all the way around the edges. And as Alberti mentioned, it has that beautiful, instead of just being round, it's a 15-inch platter, 15 by 15 inches. It's got that character, that rope detail, and some of that fluting that runs around the edges. The best part, yes, tell me. Gift box?
Gift box.
When we talk about the perfect gift, this is designed, including the plate stand, to gift. Everything fits right in this box.
You get the plate stand?
You get the plate stand, little to and from, and you gift this. I love this piece.
I was going to say, honestly, I think this should be 3 times the price. I think you were crazy to do it for this price. Black Friday sale price at $29.98. $5 is your easy pay, free shipping and handling. Right over here, we've got the fireplace scene. Look, from the clock to all the ornaments and the design on the mantle, to those beautiful stockings.
Hung by the chimney with care.
I know, there's little Santa.
He's got a cookie too, by the way.
Oh, I wonder what's in his mug.
He came from your gourmet holiday show.
I wonder if he's going to be stopping by for the mugs at midnight on Wednesday.
Oh, he should be, because he's on one of them.
Yes.
Oh, whoops, did I say that out loud?
Did I say that?
And then did you know that customers named our characters?
Oh, what are
Starting
they?
with our snowman, that's Mr. Bojingles.
Mr. Bojingles.
Right?
Look at his face. Can we get closer?
Right? Mr. Bojingles is adorable. Next door we have Penny the penguin.
Oh.
And then peeking at the very end, we of course have our gumdrop, our adorable gingerbread man. So thank you to everybody who helped us with that. So
remember,
fun.
If you want this, that's the fireplace scene, H220173. This is brand new today. You're getting your very first look.
This is super sweet.
And right over here, I just love that. This is the little oven kitchen scene.
One of the viewers wrote to us today, Tara, I love that scene so much it makes my heart happy. She loves everything about it, from the Mr. Bojingles hanging from the door, helping Santa cook there with Penny, stirring, of course, her floral. Look at him with his cute little oven mitts, his apple pie on the inside. Again, this is the...
He's not even scared to melt.
That's what I said. I'm like, he's like the invincible snowman. He does not melt. But this is what I love about Temptations, the traditions that these create, the memories that they make, because this becomes more than just a holiday platter. This is the platter that you serve your grandchildren cookies on, that you bake together.
I wonder if he's putting the cookies in or he's getting the cookies out.
No, he's taking the cookies out. Come on.
500 people are on the lines picking this up right now.
And, you know,
fireplace is popular.
It's just been a tradition that we've done, and I just wanted to show you real quick when we talk about the sizing, because I think a lot of times it's hard to be able to tell. This is our standard dinner plate.
Yeah.
So you can see that's a 10-inch dinner plate. When we talk about a 15 by 15-inch round platter, that's going to hold up to about a 15-pound turkey. That's going to hold easily a 15-pound ham. So again, just nice capacity storage.
And comes with the gift
Love
box.
this.
Has the to and the from right on it, so you don't even need to put a bow on anything.
You don't need to.
You don't need to wrap it with wrapping paper. You deliver it to someone's home. In fact, you can just do bill to, ship to, and send it to them directly.
And the plate stand comes included. So if it's something that they want to leave out, that's perfect. But then again, by the way, these mitts are coming up in the show. So adorable.
Oh,
they snap onto our towels. But I just wanted to show you, we did a beautiful rustic apple tart that we made completely on this. Wait till you see this. From the crust that you see here, thank you.
Oh my gosh, that's huge.
Is that huge? That's because the platter's huge, but yet you still have the detail of being able to see everything around the edges. We folded that crust right in there. We baked that apples on top of there. Normally you would do this on a cookie sheet. Normally you would then transfer it onto something you want to serve with. With Temptations, everything is one-stop shop. You're prepping on here, you're cooking on here, you're serving on here, and if there's any leftovers, of course you can store them.
You know, there are 2 brands here at QVC that I always talk about when I say, like, when you bring these things into your house, it makes your life better. One of them, Luminara, the other one is Temptations. I mean, literally, makes your whole life better.
I'm in good company.
Because you for real.
Yes.
Because the thing is that these pieces not only are beautiful, but they are so durable. and functional.
Yes.
That you will be surprised year after year at how much use you get out of these different pieces. Again, I think this should be triple the price, but today you're getting it at 6 payments of $5 with free shipping and handling. We put an entire ham on here.
A maple glazed ham.
Yeah.
That is also in that cookbook on page 70. So if you're picking up the holiday cookbook, over 200 great recipes that are just amazing.
Brand new. You wait for it for the last 3 years. This is the 4th year in a row that we're giving you a collectible. We are very busy on the lines. Please go to QVC.com or use your mobile apps or maybe even use automated ordering.
I wanted
What
to
are
show
we
you the
getting?
plate stand too. Just because we kind of just say, oh, by the way, but this is a beautiful, nice, heavyweight plate stand that then, of course, you can kind of make it as big as you want or as small as you want to fit that beautiful tree in here. So this is what we call the option we call the tray. Plate stand included, 15 by 15 inch round platter. Our addition for the 4th year in a row. I'll tip that forward so you can see, of course, all of the detail. Hand applied accents there, hand painting all the way around.
So this is the scene that we're calling the sleigh.
Sleigh, always super popular.
That sleigh is very popular. H220173. Here we have for you the fireplace.
The fireplace, and of course that's where we just shared with you all of the different character names. But as I mentioned, these are the platters you're serving your granddaughter cookies on that you bake together. This is what has your beautiful turkey breast that you've sliced, or of course that great ham that creates those memories we love around the holiday.
I feel like this Santa.
Yeah.
I feel like this Santa. If I touched him right over here in the belly button, he'd do like
I know who you think he is. He could be.
He's so sweet.
He's cute.
And then
There he is again.
There he is baking.
Baking. Look at him with his mitts on, and of course all the little characters at play as well.
I want to see like a full Temptations cartoon, like on a Saturday morning.
Okay.
Can we make that happen?
I don't know. I'll have my people
to?
call your people. Well, I don't even have any people.
H220173 is your item number. That's really